Here is how you can find someone on Facebook by phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can find someone on Facebook by using phone number. So let's start. There are actually two methods to this process. The first one is go to your Facebook and log into your account. Then after, tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Scroll below and go to settings and privacy and select settings. Then after, tap on see more in account center. So what you have to do in this method is upload your contacts and Facebook will find any accounts that use any of the numbers that you just uploaded. For that, go to information and permissions. Then tap on upload contacts. Then select your Facebook account. Then enable the permission. As you do that, all of the numbers in your contact list will be uploaded to Facebook and it will find you accounts using the same numbers. However, there is another method as well. For that, go to your browser, then search for Facebook forgot password. After that, go to forgot password can't login, then enter the phone number. After you enter the phone number, it will find you all the accounts that has been created using that specific number. Now just remember the account name and profile picture of the person that you are looking for. Then after, go back to Facebook and look for that specific account with that specific profile picture. In this way, you can find someone on Facebook by using their phone number. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.